Hey, so, YouTube, this is the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Uh, my last video, you saw me rebuild this one after I took it apart. Now in this video, you're going to see me do that to this. This one, harder to take apart, because there are no screws to unscrew. If you have something like a screwdriver, push it down in one of the cracks like that, and then you just pop it out. Then that's the first step in popping it apart. This one does not fall apart like the 4x4. Well, doesn't fall apart as easily. Yeah. And done. A lot less pieces than the 4x4. But this is your core for the 3x3. You can actually see where the colors go on this one, thankfully. So, the way I like to reconstruct this one is I just find a random piece, find the corresponding spot, and then I start on either base. So let's start with orange. Okay, I'm going to separate my corners out so I don't grab them instead of these. Okay, so, and you just start piecing it together. The way that I stick these on, instead of trying to force them in that way, angle this, put that on, and twist. Ta-da! But this one, once I find the correct piece, found it, you actually have to insert it up here. So you put it in, then rotate around to the orange. You can reconstruct it from any side. Doesn't matter which side you choose, but I'm just starting with orange. Then you find the 4 orange corner pieces, wherever they may be. Okay, found them. Now, you put the little thing here in that gap and slide it down till it stops. Or you could just drop it in there like that and it falls. Yeah, so that's orange and white and green. That's green and yellow. And there, you got your bottom layer put together. Now you want to find the pieces that go on the second layer. So anything without red, in my case, is what I want. Okay. Now, slide them in to place. They're just a tiny bit more challenging to put in, but you do get them stuck in there. So yeah, once you get the second layer, build on your third layer. I like to start with the corner. Actually, don't start with the corner. Ignore that. So, like you did with this side, what you want to do to put in your top pieces here, angle this at I don't know what that is, 45-degree angle, and then slide it in place and lock it. Now it's trapped up there. Then do the same for all the other sides. in there. Okay. You know what? Ignore what I just said. Don't put the all of these in yet. What you need to do is actually take and build it in a loop. So, from this piece, from red yellow one, yeah, yep, that one. Tilt, put in, wrong one. That. Oh, you can't. Oh yeah. What you have to do is stick your two corners in like that. Then with this last piece you have to cram it in here. It can take some force, but I recommend sticking this edge right there on that edge and then shove it in that way. Like that. I mean, the only reason why you'd want to really take apart Rubik's Cube is to just loosen it up a bit. With the 3x3, that is what you do. 4x4, I would recommend just greasing the joints once you take it apart. But, other than that, yeah. So, it's a piece of wood. Okay. So thanks for watching this video on how to take apart and reconstruct the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to click on the link up here for the video on how to deconstruct and reconstruct this Rubik's Cube. So that way your knowledge can be expanded. But as always, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and take and leave comments down in the comment section for if this helped you or not. And also for things you want me to do for videos. But yeah, thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.